Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I had a viewer comment on a previous video that some newer Tamiya RC Car Kits don't come with an ESC anymore. Not even the Hobbywing 1060. Up until fall last year, most Tamiya RC kits came with this TBLE-02S ESC. It's not the best ESC out there, but being that it's brushed and brushless, made this a great value to be included inside a kit. I think starting November last year, I started seeing Hobbywing 1060 ESC included stickers on all the new stock Tamiya RC car kits. This is probably the gold standard for brushed ESCs. It's inexpensive, it's versatile, and it's very reliable. It can run both nickel metal hydride and LiPo batteries safely, which is one of the shortfalls of the TBLE-02S. I haven't been able to confirm this myself as I haven't bought a kit lately. And the last two Tamiya kits I bought did have the Hobbywing 1060 inside. You can get this retail boxed 1060 pretty much anywhere that sells RC parts. The full name of this ESC is the Hobbywing QuicRun 1060. And it normally retails for around $26. Nevertheless, if you're looking for an affordable alternative to the TBLE-02S or the Hobbywing 1060, I have a few here for you. I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description below. I got this badly glued 1060 clone for $15 on eBay. I don't know about the electronics inside, but this outer case sure looks like the 1060. It came with these motor leads because, believe it or not, it included a brushed motor. So this combo is definitely budget friendly. Here it is. Then there are these two. They're pretty much identical. These are taller than the 1060 clone and the TBLE-02S. Most of it is the heatsink fins. It's pretty well put together. At least there's no glue marks. On this side it shows you the battery limits and jumper settings. It sells for $12 on eBay. This one is exactly the same, except it has a red heatsink with KYRC written on it. Printing is on different sides, but otherwise exactly the same as the last one. This one is $15 on eBay, so you're paying $3 extra for a logo. If you're a Tamiya purist, you can still find these TBLE-02Ss on eBay. I'm going to hold on to the three I already have. Which one are you going to use? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.